social media algorithms have a weird way of knowing exactly when your old suitcase is about to lose a wheel. You're scrolling through a feed and suddenly there it is. The perfect travel bag. It looks like a piece of high-tech origami. It unfolds into a full-size garment bag and then zips back up into a sleek duffel. It promises to keep your suits crisp and your shoes separate from your clean shirts. On your screen, it looks like a total revolution in luggage. This is the updated viral travel bag that everyone seems to be talking about right now. It is marketed as a dream for anyone who wants to avoid checked bag fees. The design is undeniably clever. You can see why it gets so many likes and shares. The idea of walking past the luggage carousel while everyone else waits is a powerful motivator. But here is the thing about clever marketing. It is designed to show you the best possible version of a product in a vacuum. In the professional ads, the bag is perfectly packed with thin, light items. It looks lightweight and structured. When you get it home and try to live with it, the reality starts to set in. Real users are finding that once you actually fill those clever compartments, the physics change. The bag becomes a bulky, heavy cylinder that feels more like a struggle than a convenience. That wrinkle-free promise is a major selling point. Who doesn't want to arrive at their hotel with a perfectly pressed outfit? Unfortunately, real life has other plans. When you wrap a garment bag around a central core filled with shoes and heavy toiletries, pressure takes over. People are reporting that their clothes still come out looking like they spent the night in a laundry basket. The structure of the bag is another big sticking point. Without a rigid frame, it tends to collapse or bulge in weird places when it is not perfectly balanced. This makes it awkward to carry through a crowded terminal or up a flight of stairs. Then we have to talk about the build quality. A travel bag is a tool. It needs to survive being shoved into tight overhead bins and dragged through rainy streets. There are far too many stories of zippers snapping at the worst possible moment. Stitching starts to fray after just a couple of short trips. This is where the trust begins to break down. A good piece of gear should feel like a reliable partner, not a gamble. If you are constantly worried that a seam will split while you are rushing to catch a connection, the bag has failed its primary mission. The company leans heavily on the idea that this bag is airline approved. That sounds impressive until you realize that almost any bag of this size is airline approved. It is not a special feature of the design. It is just the industry standard. Some people do find genuine value in it for quick weekend trips. If you are not overstuffing it, the convenience is there. The strap system is decent, and the organizational pockets are a nice touch for short stays. But for the price and the social media hype, you expect something that can handle a real travel schedule. We are seeing a pattern of inconsistency across the board. Some buyers are thrilled for the first 2 weeks. Then the wear and tear starts to show. Returning these viral products can also be a massive headache. You end up stuck with a bag that is halfway between a great idea and a cheap realization. It is not a complete scam. It just feels like the marketing team worked much harder than the engineers who built it. If you are a frequent traveler, you need reliability. You need something that will last for years, not just look good in a 30-second video clip. Taking a risk on a bag like this is always going to be a gamble. For some, the cool aesthetic is worth the trade-off. For most people, a solid, well-built, traditional carry-on is still the better investment. You want your travel to be about the destination and the memories. You do not want it to be about your bag falling apart in the middle of a busy terminal. It is easy to get caught up in the aesthetics of a clever gadget. But when the wheels hit the pavement, you need something that holds its shape. This particular bag relies on your excitement to overlook its functional flaws. If you are looking for a long-term travel companion, you might want to keep looking. The frustration of a broken zipper is never worth the aesthetic of a viral trend. Every traveler knows that the best gear is the kind you never have to think about during your journey. When a bag requires you to constantly adjust it or baby it, it is no longer serving you. It is just another item on your list of things to worry about. Choose something that is built to last. Your future self will thank you when you are standing at the gate with all your belongings still intact.